Welcome students in your math class. In last videos we learned addition of the fractions. In this video we are going to learn subtraction of the fraction. So subtraction of the fraction is as similar of addition of the fraction. The subtraction of fractions can be performed in a manner similar to that of addition. Let's see the example. There are some fraction is given 12 upon 9 minus 7 upon 9. So 12 upon 9 minus 7 upon 9. Denominator of these fractions are same. Yes, denominator of the given fractions are same. So similarly, simply we have to subtract its numerator. So we have to subtract 7 from 12. So we get 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. We get 5 upon 9 is the result. Easy, na? Yes. Second is 8 upon 15 minus 6 upon 15. Here also denominators are same. Denominators are equal. If denominators are equal, so we have to be subtract its numerator only. So subtract its numerator. 8 minus 6 2. So we get 2 upon 5 15. Like that. Second is there. Find the difference. Find the difference of the given fractions. 9 upon 10 minus 8 upon 15. First question is given there. 9 upon 10 minus 8 upon 15. Second is there. 13 upon 16 and minus 7 upon 12. So first see the first one. 9 upon 10 and 10 upon 15. Denominators are different. Denominators are not equal. It means first we have to take the LCM and of denominator. Of denominators. So LCM of 10 and 15. LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Yes. I hope everybody know how you find the LCM. So let's see. 10 and we have to find the LCM. 2 5s are 10. It will be not divisible. Now we have to divide this by 3. So 5 will be not divided. 3 5s are 15. So we get 5. 1 and 1. Okay. So 2 3 are 6. 6 5 are 30. So LCM is there 30. Okay students. LCM is there 30. Now we may write 9 upon 10 as 27 upon 30. Yes. Because it said LCM is 30, so we have to convert its denominator should be 30. Na? We have to write that given fractions as a denominator 30. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. So if we multiply the denominator by 3, so we should multiply its numerator by 3 also. Okay, we get 9 multiplied by 3, 9 3 is 27. So 27 upon 30. And 8 upon 15 we may write 16 upon 30 because 15 to the 30. If 15 to the 30, so 8 to the 16. Okay, by equivalent fraction. Now we have to separate it. So 9 upon 10 and 8 upon 15 it will be replaced by 27 upon 30 and 16 upon 30 respectively. So here denominators are equal. If denominators are equal, we get denominators equal. So we have to subtract its numerator only. So 27 minus 16, that is 11. So we get 11 upon 30 is the result. Okay. See the second question. Second is given there 13 upon 16 and 7 upon 12. We have to be simplifying it or we have to find the difference of that. So we can do by the second method. First we will take the LCM of 16 and 12. To find the LCM of 16 and 12. It is divisible by 2, yes, 2 8 ja, 2 6 ja. Now again divisible by 2, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja. Again divisible by 2, 2 2 ja, that will be 3, 2 1 ja, 3. Now it is divisible by 3, 1 and 1, yes. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. Na? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. So LCM is there 48. Now we have to divide this 48 by the denominator of the first fraction. Denominator of the first fraction is 16. So 16 divides 48, it gives 3. 16 3 is 48. Na? 16 3 is 48. So we get 3 is the quotient. So that quotient will be multiplied with the numerator of the fraction. So 13 multiplied by 3. Now 12 divides 48, it gives 4. 12 4 is 48. Okay. Now minus is there, so minus 7 multiplied by 4. 13 is 39 minus 7 4 is 28 upon 48 students. So 39 minus 28 is 11. 11 upon 48 is the result. Like that you can subtract more fraction. Okay. Next is given that simplified 5 upon 9 minus 7 upon 12 plus 1 upon. And second 3 complete 1 upon 5 plus 2 complete 1 upon 10 minus 1 complete 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. We have to simplify this. Okay. So how we simplify it? First 5 upon 9 and 7 upon 12 and 1 upon 2 is given. BODMAS formula I hope everybody know. No? You can use that, or simply you can do. First you have to take the LCM of 9, 12 and 6. 9, 12 and 2. You have to take the LCM of 9, 12 and 2 because its denominator is 9, 12 and 2. So LCM of 9, 12 and 2 is 36. You can find the LCM. I hope you can find the LCM. Na? Can you find? Okay. So 9 4 36. When 9 divides 36, it is 4. 4 multiplied by 5. So 5 multiplied by minus is there. So right there minus. 12 divides 36, it gives 3. 12 3 is 36. So 3 is multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 3. There is plus. So put there plus. 2 divides 36, it gives 18. 18 to the 36. Yes, 18 to the 36. So we get 18. 18 will be multiplied by 1. So 1 multiplied by 18. Now 5 4 is 20 minus 7 3 is 21 plus 18 upon 36. Okay. You can write positive numbers or positive integers together and negatives together. So 20 plus 18 minus 21 upon 36. So 20 plus 18, that is 38 minus 21 upon 36. Now we have to subtract it. Subtract it. 8 minus 1, 7. 38 minus 21, that is 17 upon 36. So what is the result? 17 upon 36. Like that second is there. Second question is given there. These all are mixed fractions. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. In which fraction? Improper fraction. Correct. So how we will convert it? Denominator multiplied with the whole numbers and we will add its numerator. So 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. So we get 16 upon 5. 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. Like that 20 plus is there. So put there plus 10 to the 20 plus 1 21 upon 10 minus 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. Yes, minus 1 upon 4. Now we will take the LCM of 5, 10, 2 and 4. When we will find take the LCM of 5, 10, 2 and 4, so we get 20. What we get? 20 is the LCM of 5, 10, 2 and 4. Correct? Now we divide 5 divides 20 means the denominator of the first fraction divides 20, like denominator of the second fraction, third fraction and fourth fraction. How many is given? So 5 divides 20, it gives 4. 5 4 is 20. So 4 multiplied with 16. So what we get? 16 multiplied by 4 plus is there, so plus 10 divides 20, it gives 2. So 2 multiplied by 21 minus 2 divides 20, it gives 10. So 10 multiplied with 3 minus 4 divides 20, it gives 5. So 5 multiplied by 1. Okay. So 16 4 is 64 plus 21 2 is 42 minus 30 minus 5 upon 20. Now we will add. So what we get? 4 to 6, 106. Correct? 4 plus 2 6 and 4 plus 6 10 minus 30 and minus 5. Both are negative integers, so we may add it. So what we get? Minus 35 upon 20. Now subtract it. 106 minus 35, it gives 71 upon 20. 71 upon 20. So 71 upon 20 is improper fraction. Should be, you can and convert it in mixed fraction because it is given in mixed fraction. Yes. So convert it to mixed fraction. What you will get? 3 complete 11 upon 20 is the answer. 3 complete 11 upon 20 is the answer. Okay. My dear students, let's see the next question. Next question is given there. What should be added to 17 complete 3 upon 4 to get 18 complete 5 upon 6? Suppose that we have to be add. Question is given that like that is simple example. What should we add to 6 to get 10? So what will do there? 10 minus 6. 4, that is the answer. Like that, what should be added to 17 complete 3 upon 4 to get 18 complete 5 upon 6? So required number will be 18 complete 5 upon 6 minus 17 complete 3 upon 4. Means we will subtract first mixed fraction from second mixed fraction. Okay? So directly we have to write required numbers are required fractions is equal to 18 complete 5 upon 6 minus 17 complete 3 upon 4. Clear? If it is given that what should be added, then we will subtract first from the second simply. Okay? So convert it into improper fraction because it is mixed fraction. So 6 18s are 108 plus 5 113 upon 6 minus 17 4 is 68 plus 1. 68 plus 3, 71 upon 4. Now we will take the LCM of 6 and 4. So LCM of 6 and 4, that is 12. It's clear. LCM of 6 and 4, that is 12. So 12 divided by 6. 6 divides 12, it gives 2. So 2 multiplied with 113 multiplied by 2. Minus is there. So minus 4 divided 3, it gives 3. Clear? 4 3s are 12. So 3 multiplied with 71. So 71 multiplied by 3. Now multiply it. What you will get? 226 minus 213 upon 12. 226 minus 213 upon 12. 3 1 is 3. 3 7 is 21. So 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 4. Clear? Now subtract it. When we subtract 213 from 226, so we get 13. Clear? 13 upon 12. So 13 upon 12, it is improper fraction. So we have to convert this improper fraction into proper fraction. Convert it. What you will get? 1 complete 1 upon 12. I hope you know how you will convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, or how you will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, it's clear? Students, next question is given there. Rohit ate 4 upon 7 part of an apple, and his sister Ritu ate the remaining parts of it. Means remaining part of apple. So who ate more and by how much? So Rohit ate is equal to 4 upon 7 part of an apple. Okay, means of an apple means 1 apple is there. So Ritu ate remaining part. If Rohit ate 4 upon 7 of 1, so Ritu ate will be 1 minus 4 upon 7. So we may write 1 as 1 upon 1 minus 4 upon 7. So now take the LCM of 1 and 7, that is 7. 1 divided 7, it gives 7. So 7 into 7, 7 into 1, 7 minus 4, 3 upon 7. So Ritu ate 3 upon 7 part. Ritu ate 3 upon 7 part of apple. But it is asked who ate more. So it means we have to compare 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. So compare 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Denominators are same, and whose numerator is greater? 4. Okay, it means 4 upon 7 is greater. It means Rohit ate more. Rohit ate more. By how much? By how much? By how much? Rohit ate 4 upon 7 and Ritu ate 3 upon 4. So Rohit ate more by how much? Means 4 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7, that is 1 upon 7. Okay, so Rohit ate more by 1 upon 7 of iron. Okay, it's clear? Thank you students. I hope you all are enjoying your class. Enjoying